Here we come to the parking garage elevator at 14100 Southwest Freeway, known as Sugar Creek Place 1. It's an Otis Series 1. Unfortunately, the main elevators just got modernized as somebody made a comment on one of my older videos. So, anyways, thankfully this elevator is still original. I'm not sure if I want to film the main elevators. I'm debating on it if I should or not. But the main elevators are, of course, modded. I don't remember if I remember filming this elevator, but I remember filming this way long time ago. On one. I'll go for one more ride. Here's your phone. How slow these doors are. I think the floor was replaced, obviously, but I'm not sure. Anyways, if you guys have watched my YouTube channel for a long time, I clearly remember recording this elevator way back in my early days, like way even before I even started YouTube. But I don't remember if I still have a video or not, but I do remember having a video of those main elevators back when it was a Series 1, before it got modded. And here we have some door disease. I'm so glad that this elevator is still original. Like I said, if I don't film the main elevators, I do apologize, but I'm debating, I don't know if I want to film the main elevators because it's modded now, or any of that matter. All right, I'm gonna go and watch it close. Oh, it's not even level right. Right, there it goes. And that's it.